Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basic system state. Check Windows 11 build and create a restore point because you need a safety net. Once done, prepare boot options, safe mode, recovery environment, or a Windows installation USB. Make sure your external backup is connected. If something goes wrong, you can restore. Now restart into safe mode or recovery, use Shift plus Restart or the installation USB. This lets you run fixes without the white screen processes blocking access. Once in the recovery environment, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. Type SFC/scano, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This fixes corrupted components that cause white screens. Next, open Device Manager and target display drivers. Roll back or reinstall the GPU driver because graphics conflicts often trigger the problem. Also check Event, Viewer, and Windows Security logs in Program Data to identify. You finish by repairing the Windows Security app. Go to Apps, find Windows Security, then choose Repair. If that fails, use Reset to rebuild app data. Once done, reboot normally. Make sure the white screen is gone and the security UI loads. If it persists, perform an in-place upgrade repair with Windows 11 installation media to preserve files and settings, and only then restore from your backup or a restore point. Troubleshooting tip: if the problem returns, test with a clean user profile to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.